The Versatech 700 prioritises both patient dignity and safety. Boasting a safe working load of 318 kilograms and an ultra-low platform height of 21 centimeters, the Versatech 700 also features a 99 centimeter wide mattress platform, wider than most standard med-surg beds. This allows the bed to accommodate a range of patient morphologies, providing enhanced security and comfort. The Versatech 700 offers a range of functionality via its intuitive control panels, as shown on screen. A one-button cardiac chair position combines back and knee rest movement with a foot-down tilt, providing a superior position for respiratory systems, as well as eating and drinking. To ensure patient safety, the cardiac chair position is a caregiver-only function. It's important that caregivers monitor the cardiac chair position due to the movements involved. To take the bed out of cardiac chair position, use the CPR function to get the bed back to flat. To encourage patient independence and help improve compliance, patients have access to their own controls. These are accessible via the integrated controls on the side rails, as well as via a dedicated patient handset. To support safe, early mobilization, the Versatech 700 can reach an ultra-low height of 21 centimeters. This allows the patient to get their feet flat on the floor and their nose over toes for effective mobilization while reducing risk of falls. Please note that for safety reasons, this ultra-low height can only be achieved via the Caregiver Controls. The Versatech 700 can be raised to a maximum height of 81 centimeters. This height range allows the bed to be raised to suit the caregiver, providing a comfortable height for carrying out nursing procedures while minimizing risk of injury. Functions can be locked out to prevent patient use. Use the individual lockup button under each function on the Caregiver Control panel. A red light will illuminate to indicate the function is now locked. To unlock, simply press and hold the lockout button again. To initiate total lockout of functions on the patient controls, nurse controls and the handset, press and hold this button for 8 seconds. Again, a red light will illuminate to show all functions are restricted except for CPR. Press and hold this button again to unlock. The Versatech 700 has a central braking system which can be accessed via the foot end of the bed. To activate the brake, ensure the red side of the pedal is pushed down. For movement in any direction, put the pedal in the middle position. For easy straight line steering, activate the lateral mode by pressing the green side down. The Versatech 700 is equipped with both a manual and electronic CPR function. Electronic CPR flattens and lowers the bed simultaneously. Manual CPR is located on both sides of the bed. Pull the red lever outwards to lower the backrest back to flat. The Versatech 700 has 4 easy-to-operate side rails. To lower the side rails, push the yellow lever inwards and rotate the rail downwards. To raise the side rail, simply lift up and ensure it's clicked into place. The head and footboards can be easily removed and replaced without tools. Simply lift upwards to remove. To reattach, slot back into place. The Versatech 700 can be extended in length from 203 cm to 213 or 223 cm to accommodate for taller patients. Press and release the latch on the underneath of the foot extension and pull the bar outwards. The extension will automatically lock at the 10 cm extension and the full 20 cm extension. Press and hold the black button on the centre of the silver bar and pull this out in line with the metal bar. Release the black button to secure. The Versatech 700 incorporates Class 3 weighing scales to facilitate easy and frequent patient weighing. Scale controls can be accessed via the Footboard. First, ensure that all necessary equipment, such as pillows and bed linen, is in situ. From the main menu, select the scale icon and press OK to access the scale menu. Press OK on the 0 option to reset the weight. Once the weight has been reset, the patient can be placed onto the bed. For enhanced dignity, the patient's weight will not always be visible. You will need to go into the scale option on the display to view the patient's weight. The Versatech 700 also has a choice of alarms for improved patient security. The Zone 1 alarm allows for bed exit detection. The bed will audibly and visually alarm when 50% or more of the patient's weight has exited the bed. The Zone 2 alarm allows for movement detection, alerting users if the patient is attempting to leave the bed. The Zone 3 alarm will be triggered if the bed detects a significant move from the patient towards the foot end of the bed. To set any alarm, simply press and hold the button. A green LED will illuminate to show the alarm is active. Please note that the patient must be on the bed to set an alarm. To deactivate or silence the alarm, press and hold the corresponding button for 2 seconds.